vermicelli, some greens. Guys, so I just went to the bathroom and they've got a bidet.
First, this is the bread for you.
Still trying to find their way, but I love it, guys. Woohoo! I love it. Mom, I like your flower. This is so much fun. I'm having so much fun. Dad's coming up right now. Guys, we're in like water thingy. Good morning, guys. It is day 4 now, or day 5. Not sure which one, but you'll know by the title. And I've come to have some brekkie festi.
Then you have to watch.
Morning. Morning. Oh, what's for lunch, Mom? Oh, what is this?
Soto ayam.
What's that?
Indonesian food. Soto.
Oh, Indonesian food.
Yes.
Ooh. Thank you very much. Did you eat now? Ooh, I'm so
Hey, that's
excited.
your problem, that toilet. So don't just forget about it.
Yeah.
One jar.
Hey, Vicky. There's like a ant on your bowl.
What the heck?
It just crawled up here.
Did it go in?
No, it didn't.
Okay, so I've never had something like this before. So
Malu.
let me taste the soup.
Dad thinks of different things.
Ooh, it's different. See? Told you.
Because your dad's so old.
Yeah, but that's not for our mukbang. It's got tofu in there, vermicelli, some greens, and an egg.
You always.
So what did you think of the dish?
It's very yummy. Soup. Daniel, mate.
You got these cracker things as well to eat with
Mate,
it.
another plate for.
I'm not sure how this goes, but okay, guys. So we're all ready now. We've had a bit of a relax this morning. Didn't really do much. We did film a mukbang, but like after that, we just relaxed. We are We're going to the bike riding now. Waiting for a taxi. I'm going with Dad, Mum, and Darnell, and then we're probably going to go to the fish eating after that.
Maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So we're probably going to have to stop off at an ATM on the way, so I can get some money out to pay for all of this. Hopefully it's a good experience, guys. You guys are going to come with us, and we'll see you. Okay, guys. So we're on our way now. I just booked it online, so you have to pre-book it before you rock up. You go onto their website and send them an inquiry, then they respond back with a link, and you go to a purchase site. And so I booked 4 people, and it came to be 250 AUD, which was 164 USD. So that includes a buffet lunch. It also includes towel, being able to use their facilities, and a 2-hour bike ride trip. That's the same?
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah.
Okay. Is that far?
Yeah, a little bit far.
A little bit far. 40 minutes.
Bongkase Pak Yan. Bongkase kan ditaruh, kan ketaruh bolak-balik dah.
Wow, doing makeup on the side of the road.
Para Mickey with makeup.
I need some name like your booking, hotel name,
Yep.
and then you see us.
Okay, thank you. We are here now at the quad bike riding. I'm getting a bit nervous the closer we get to it. Are you getting nervous now? It said under 12, so yeah, you're not under 12. You're 12, so I'm a bit nervous. You do have to come half an hour earlier to get some sort of training, and it is a little bit pricey, but as I said, the buffets,
It's worth it.
well, we don't know yet if it's worth it, but the buffet is included in it. You get to shower in case you get all dirty and stuff. We also have the taxi driver came and brought us, he's our next door neighbor at the place we're staying at, and he was really nice to hang around. He wanted to hang around until we finished, and he said he could take us back because it was about a 40-minute drive.
I'm pretty nervous because, like, mind if I crash?
Well, no, you can't overtake Darnell, and you no reckless driving, no speeding, no acting like a fool. We've got Nanny here. She's waiting patiently, looking out that way. Got Pups with his cowboy hat. Nell, did you bring a hat? Okay. Oh, it turns out we don't have to wait, guys. Literally, as soon as I stopped my video, he came out and said if we're ready.
What's that?
You wanna keep in the locker or keep in the car?
Do you have locker?
Yes, I have locker.
Yep, we
You must deposit first for the locker.
We have to what?
You must deposit, just deposit.
Oh, deposit?
Yes.
How much?
Like $5.
Okay, yeah. Yep.
We'll just leave in the car.
No, because we don't know that guy. Well, we do, but he's not like our cousin or anything, our uncle. He's nice, but I'm just saying, we've got valuables in here. I want to take my camera. I hope they let me take my camera.
Probably can't.
And my phone.
Well, probably the phone, but probably not.
I'm going to have it around my neck. Oh my gosh, look at them.
You need
A locker. Yep. Yep, 50,000. I look so crazy. Come take a thumbnail. I look so crazy, guys. Ew, I look so ugly. Guys, so I just went to the bathroom and they've got a bidet, yo. I've never used a bidet before. What's a bidet? A bidet. Okay? Where the toilet has a function where it washes your butt crack. So, where's Dad?
In the toilet.
So these lovely helpers. Hello.
Enjoy the journey.
Oh, I'm so nervous, guys. I'm so nervous.
Hi guys. Oh, we're about to go on the quad bikes and it's gonna be lots of fun.
How about you come in? Face this way.
Yeah, I'm a bit scared because I might.
No, get up.
This is quad bike, use automatic biking. So when you're riding, about the operation this bike is all of the hands operation, okay? Nothing on your feet, just hands operation, okay? The first, this is the brake for you. You got the 2 brake on this bike. When you brake, you must use at the same time. All the brake at the same time. Okay? And then this is the accelerator for you. This is the gas. When you move, just keep it by your thumb. Smoothly first. Step by step, take it slowly.
No, you're going to be right to go on your own? Hey? Did you listen there? Yeah. Mum, you go? Oh, I go. Dad, out of the way. Mum, you can sit on there. You can sit at the back. No, come on. Why am I in the front? I don't want to be in the front. You don't want to do it, Mom? You don't want to do it? Go out, go. Wow, guys, we've been going for about 10 minutes now. And the guys behind us going a bit slow. I wish we'd go a little bit faster, but I guess he's mindful of everyone else, and Mum and Dad are still trying to find their way. But I love it, guys. Woo! I love it. I feel like I'm a pro. How you liking it, Mum? Yeah? Okay. Yeah. May bagadi. Works go waka. I can't see you now. Yeah. Woohoo! It's so fun, isn't it? I'm having so much fun, guys. This is so fun. Huh? Oh. Yep. No, le dale. What are you doing? was really slow at first. Oh my gosh, I look like a fatty Oompa Loompa, but I am having so much fun, guys. This is so fun. Take a thumbnail. Put it in the neutral. Oh no, that couple is in the bush. I know. Good. Just be careful, Mum. Make sure you use your brakes. Dad's coming. Now you alright? It's pretty cool, eh? Pretty cool, eh? Stop bumping into Mum. I wish someone could film me. I'm like the man at this. How are you liking it, Mum? What's up, guys? Come forward, Mum. Wow. This is so much fun. I'm having so much fun. Dad's coming up right now. I'm sweating so much, but it's so much fun. I do not regret this. It's all worth the money. Yeah, there's all these plants you find in Samoa. Dad's coming now. Oh guys, this is such a great experience. If you ever come to Bali, make sure you do this. Mum, was that scary? How you almost fell? Nah. Yeah, this is so much fun. I love it. I honestly I make a big gap. Yeah, he would love this. Siaosi would love this. I always make a big gap between me and him so I can speed up. Woohoo! Guys, so. Hey, yeah, that was heaps cool, eh? Dad's coming up. Oh, Dad's reversing. Look, that's coco, guys. All these cocos. I'm like a pro at this. I could be one of these tour guides myself. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, see, look at your wife. Look at your wife. She's a badass bee. I love this so much. This is so much fun. This is so much fun. I'm going to take my helmet off because I'm having a bit of a break, but I am. That is so much fun. I love it so much. I want to go with the fast people though. Oh, that was so much fun. Oh, I love it. What, Dad? Mayo. Ah, Dad. Mayo, Dad. Yeah, it's so nice. Now, what do you think?
It's really fun.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
It'd be fun if we go full speed.
I know, I want to go faster. I can't stress how much fun that was, honestly. I just want to go full speed, man. I want to ride with the fast guys. We're at this place now, we're having a break. So I think like halfway through they give you a break. Oh, hello. I don't know, but I didn't bring my wallet. Oh, we left our wallet at the...
Yeah, you pay up.
Oh, we pay up there? Oh, Mum, we can drink here and pay up there. Yeah. So we're just having an orange water to cool us down. Were you scared at all? When we first started going, I was a bit worried about Mum. I thought Mum would have to go back. Mum, I thought you would have to, you'd have to go and take your car back. Give me some of yours now.
More fun. Okay.
Do you like it, Dad? What the heck? These chips are so weird. Look.
Actually have ketchup. What the heck? We got actually have ketchup.
Oh my gosh, open it. Yeah. Wa ulau kang ngoi fa va yêu se space o kia voi da ko. This is beautiful. Look at over there. Inside there. It's so nice. So we're still resting, guys. But honestly, I love this so much. It's one of the best things that I've done here so far. And I might be going to the night markets either tomorrow or tonight. I'm not sure, but we're definitely going to be doing the fish eating thing. Fish eating feet. Maybe today. But tomorrow I want to go to the market.
Did you get your clothes?
I've only got 2 bars left, guys. I might have to stop recording now because you guys have seen a lot of footage of the bike riding. I want to save some footage for the fish eating feedy thing. I don't have a spare battery. So I think this is it for the bike riding, but just know that we highly recommend it. It's the best thing that we've done our whole trip. This is like the highlight of my trip. There's cocoa trees everywhere here. They're like everywhere. So many. The slope's fine, Daniel. What the heck? Are you scared of going down there? Mom, I like your flower.
Yes.
Where did you get it from? Guys, we're in like a water thingy. We're getting all wet. This is so much fun, honestly. I cannot stress this enough. My gosh, look guys. Literally. Hold on, Mum's coming. Mum's coming. Kali saya punya waka. Oh my god. You're so malangkoking, you said. Guys, my shoe is full of water. My boot. That last part I couldn't really record because yeah, it was kind of dangerous. I was worried about my parents, but this foot is full of water.
Really?
Yeah. I have to put my jandals on. That was so much fun. Oh my god, I loved it so much. So much fun. Woo!
I feel I can do that again.
I know, right? I didn't want it to end. Mum, is your feet wet?
Nah.
Thank you so much. That was so much fun. Mum had a little accident. Mum, do you feel okay? Her bike fell over. Oh no, are you okay, Mum?
Do you know why?
Oh, she's not ready for it.
Too high. My voice.
Honestly, that was so much fun. I cannot get over it. I had so much fun. You want a shower? No, I don't want to either. It wasn't that bad. I just got wet on my thing. But your shorts are wet.
Huh?
Your shorts are wet.
Okay, I'll change that.
Yeah, that's you.
Hey, look, the phone on that. Oleh kerana dah bangai ya. Kako umami bakal yakai.
Yep.
I know.
How did you guys like it?
Very fun. Very fun.
So much fun, wasn't it? So much fun. I bet you ele yo mai ka ko rungo le mongo me nga sau sa ole.
Jangan lagi dua kembali.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we're off to have lunch now. It's complimentary. Well, it's not really complimentary because we paid for it, but it's included in the deal. So up we get. So say bye, Dad. Yeah, we get over there. It's a buffet. No, I'm sitting there. You and Papa sit there, face this way. All right, we're about to sit down and have our lunch now. You can choose to purchase the photos, but I just didn't find it worth it, especially because I kind of vlogged some of the process. I probably didn't get my dad. So they had like nice photos of Dad over there, and we got mee goreng, nasi. I got some satay sticks and some soy chicken. So does anyone want to go around the room and say how they enjoyed it? Mum fell over. Mum, how do you feel?
Oleh fuala pa le seu le wina. Oleh pa unga haru unga pa ni.
Do you like the noodles now? Mm-hmm. So nice. Our battery is super low, but guys, if it dies, we made it to the fish spa. Dad and Nell are in at the moment. So basically they just eat the dead skin off your legs. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, we're gonna go in next. We're next. What does it feel like now?
When you first go in, but you get used to it.
Huh?
You get used to it.
You get used to it?
Yeah.
I did. Mayan faru. Makinking. Hey guys. Oh, my face feels so tight. We've been home for a while now. We went for a swim. had a shower, freshened up, charged the battery because our battery died, and now dinner is ready. So I'm gonna go out, finish this vlog that you're watching. I've been doing so well so far with uploading daily, and I kind of want to keep it going. I don't know if I can because yesterday's vlog was a big one.
Go for a walk with you.
Oh wow, that's a lot of food, isn't it? So this is some Balinese food, guys. We got the nasi and the mee goreng.
How's mum?
So this is yummy ass food. Yeah, me. So we're gonna end off our vlog tonight. It's been such a long day. I am super exhausted after that bike riding.
Yes.
Did you enjoy today?
Yes.
So much
I
fun.
love it.
Yep, we had so much fun. Anyways,
There's so much money, Bob.
you guys know the drill. I'm not going to keep repeating myself. But thank you so much for coming along with us today. We hope you stay tuned for the next vlog. I'm going to tear this up and I'll see you guys tomorrow.